Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted a real simple system called our Metatrak CAN alarm. How it basically works is when you leave the vehicle, just zap it. Really simple, you'll see the light will come on and the system is arming. When you come back to the vehicle, really simple again, just hit the disarm, system is disarmed. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to arm it, wait for it to set, and then you're going to see it trigger. On here we've done something slightly different. We've put an impact sensor, so if someone applies a force to it, it'll actually trigger the alarm. So I think we'll wait a minute, it might be set now. Let's just trigger it now. It's not actually set yet because we've got the indicators flashing, which means it's not fully armed yet. It takes about a minute to set. When it's set, we'll apply force again and you'll see it trigger. So now if you can see carefully, the actual LED is slowed down. That means the system is armed. So if I'm going to apply force to it now, you're going to hear it trigger. There you go, alarm is triggering. LED's flashing rapidly. Alarm is going off. Okay, so now if I just disarm it, system is disarmed. Now I'm actually going to show you on the doors. So we're going to arm it. Now at the moment it's actually giving us what we call a report back, which is telling us what's actually caused the trigger. So if you can see two flashes actually means impact sensor. So now let's just set it again and we'll wait for it to set. See, LED's flashing rapidly again, so we just wait for it to set again. Now again, if you see the actual LED has slowed down again, so this time I'm actually going to open the door. So assuming it wasn't deadlocked, I'm just doing it, I didn't deadlock it, so I'm going to open the door, make it trigger. There you go. System is now triggering again. Let's just hit the disarm. And this is basically how it works. So, you know, if someone applies a force to the glass, someone opens any doors, the alarm will trigger. Really simple, works off the original remote control. Straightforward. This is a Ford Transit Connect 2017. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye-bye.